Today I need to replace the headlights in my Saab 9.3 diesel. So your first step is to take off the battery compartment. Generally there's a screw here, but I don't have it. Then you take off this nozzle thingy here, just pull it straight out. Now those rubbery things contain the light, so you just pull that out. Pull that off. And that's the wire for the light right there, so if we just rotate that in a clockwise direction, we now have access to the light. So just stick a screwdriver between the assembly and the light, and just pop it off. I'm going to stick that back in there because I'm just demonstrating. And you just rotate it back in. And then put your rubbery thing back on. Now, that rubbery thing takes a lot of effort to get on, but once it's over, you just stick the nozzle back on, just push it down, like that, and pop the battery compartment back on, and screw it up if you've got the screws for it. Now here is the other side, the right side of the vehicle from the driver's seat, and that there is the light housing, so let's just take that rubber off, and there's the wire, so we just turn the camera around and get in there. So from this angle it's counterclockwise. And there it is. Just use a flathead screwdriver to get between the light and the assembly and pop it out.